And I also got, where is it? Pure Breeze. Hold on. Yet you hold on. People, look like me buy the wrong something. Why this say Pure Breeze Pet? A dog something I buy? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So in today's video, from you see the title, you know what time it is, okay? It's my monthly grocery haul. So stick around to see what I got, the usual, but stick around to see, okay? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come over here. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this video. Right, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am here about to pack out the groceries and show you guys everything, but I have a little reasoning right now. Like this YouTube thing, me kind of feel a little bit discouraged. Like me just know me nobody want to do it and all of them someday, because I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know what they want. But I don't know if YouTube can give me a fight, or what YouTube, why not give me a fight? Why only they give me a fight? Why? But me kind of feel discouraged. Honestly, like me just don't want to do this anymore. But me not gonna give up, you know. Me just tell you how me feel. Just tell you how I feel. Just that me don't know if me not understand what I want or what, but me just feel discouraged. Even though me not gonna give up. Me not gonna give up. No matter what. No matter how me I feel discouraged, me just not give up. Me just go keep pushing. Just go keep pushing. Me normally post like three times. Yeah, I normally post like 3 times in a week also. Yeah, for example, I post today, 3 days time post again or something. But for the last post, I just not feel like to post nothing else. I go to the supermarket and I say, alright, I'm going to do one grocery haul. I just not feel it again. But as I say, I not give up. So if you want to drop like an encouraging message in the comments below, you can do that to kind of cheer me up, keep going. I push myself still, you know, as I say, I'm not going to give up, but I just not feel it again. I really love it, you know. That's why I'm saying I not give up. I really love what I do. I love what I do. I love to see when you comment and tell me so I enjoy. I love when I laugh. I laugh off of myself. But just from over there, I just feel like I'm not do this anymore. But I'm not give up today. I'm not give up. I keep pushing. Because one day, you know? One day. But let's go and just pack out these groceries and show you what I get. So as I say, I'm gonna drop it in the comments below
some encouraging words. If you don't love my content, let me know. If you don't want more content, let me know. You know, just drop some positivity in the comments for me there. Because I'm not really feel it again, but as me say, I love what I do, so I'm not gonna make you feeling come over me. I still drop my contents and so forth. So let's go and pack out these groceries and make gonna see what I want to get. As me say, normally I shop for a month, so by end of month I shop for the other month which is coming. So in a month now I shop for August. Okay, you know, so August I like Friday the 1st of August. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm back in the mood. So the first thing we're gonna pack out is the meat shop stuffs, right? I mean, I really get much this week, but alright with what I get. I'm gonna get no saltfish. We did want the saltfish, but I'm gonna get no saltfish. Look what I got. I got me some plum. One dozen plum for $400 down a market. You know, like me want some plum. So I guess a plum time now. Plum season, right? Let me know in the comments, but I love some plum. Yeah. So I get one dozen plum. Alright, so I got mixed parts. This is 4 pound of mixed parts. But I finally get mutton. About 2 months now, I'm gonna get no local mutton. I'm finally get some local mutton. Yeah, this is a 4 pound of local mutton for $6,000. 4 pound of local mutton for $6,000. No man. And then I got me some sliced fish. 2 months now, I'm gonna get no sliced fish either. And now I get my sliced fish. This is 4 pound of sliced fish. And what else? So yeah, that is it. So 4 pound of mixed parts, 4 pound of local mutton, and 4 pound of sliced fish. Everything came to 11,000 and change. 11,000 and change. So let me go ahead and put them in the freezer and come right back. Alright, so I bought a bread. This is the white time and patient bread. Best bread, especially when it's fresh and hot and soft. Best bread in the mobile. Man, I have sell other places. By the way, drop it in the comments below and let me know if time and patient bread sell in a different parish or just mobile. Me don't know, but this is our best bread. Yeah, best bread. Then I got 1 dozen egg. Me didn't need a tray of egg, but for now I just go work with the 1 dozen until me get the big tray. Alright, yeah. Alright guys, if you don't hear cricket, it's night, okay? I always do vlog at night time with the cricket them. Anyways, as me normally say in the other vlogs, the things them not really in order. So anything I take up, I'm going to show now. First we have here 2 combo pack. Then a big Revive soap. I love Revive soap. It really nice, and the big ones, it really lasts me a long time. Alright, so right here I have crackers. As I say, in this household, yeah, we love crackers, so I have to buy the crackers them enough, you understand? Yeah. So I have 2 small water crackers, then 2 big ones, and after buy 2 cream crackers, 2 small cream crackers. So when them are done, we'll go to this, or when this done, we'll go to them here. Alright? Yeah. Just go put them in a settee until I'm ready to pack them out. Alright. So we have Velasco. So this one is the almond flavor. So about 2 almond, 2 vanilla, and as me say, probably rest of them in a other bag, but about 2 almond, 2 vanilla, and 2 small chocolate ones. So in all me buy 6. So 2, 4, 6 vanilla, 6 Lasco. 6 Lasco. I have 1 box right down here. So 3 sardine. I love look about sardine and rice in the morning time for breakfast. Sweet and nice. Yeah. 3 sardine. Chiffon butter. Small chiffon butter. I normally buy the big ones, but I have more in the fridge, so I just buy a small one. So yeah. Kisco. About 2 of this, but I guess the other one in our next bag. So 2 Kisco. Chicken seasoning. Maggie chicken seasoning. Yeah. Tetley tea bag. You see, with this Tetley tea bag now, I like use it with tin milk. So I sweeten this with tin milk and I drop in my crackers. What sweet so. So I love the Tetley tea bag here. And then I got cock soup. This is 4. So you buy 3, you get 1 free. So I like one special. You buy 3, you get 1 free, which is 4. Yeah, I like one special. So 4 of this. And 3 pumpkin. The pumpkin soup mix. Yeah. Because you know me love my soup on Saturday time. So I have to get my soup, some of them. I also buy Ensure, but about 6. So I know say the other 3 supposed to in our different bag. Alright. Suppligent about 3. I'm gonna buy 6 this week. I just buy 3 Suppligent this week. Yeah. Ginger beer, 3 of this. I got 3 of this. We have sweet corn. I got 3. I love look about corn beef, bully beef and corn and rice. Yeah, I love look about that because it's just sweet and nice. So I have to buy my corn. About Irish moss because I have to blend up some strong back. Yeah, I have to blend up some strong back. Alright. So I get, I think I buy 2 of this, 2 Irish moss. I buy 2 of this. Then I have my liquid vanilla. Yeah. Mac and cheese about 4. And jug of cooking oil. I have cooking oil, you know. I have the big jug of cooking oil. But it depends on the donings now, so I have to top up. So I get this. Alright, so we're moving on to another bag or another box. Yeah. Alright, bag number 2. So in here I have banana. Every time I go to the supermarket here, I always pick up liquid things like banana plant and them something there. And then I order more market things. I don't know, I just love buy banana over there, even though I'm gonna get the market something. So yeah, I just buy banana over there. I don't know, I just love buy banana over there. Anyways, we have butter bread. I buy 3 of this. 3 butter bread. Ruffles, I buy 3. Bun, I get 6 bun. Because I love eat bun. But I don't love take bun. So I buy 6 bun. Oh, I buy them like a jelly worm, so I feel the pain in them. Come on, 1, 2. You know what? Let me take one right now. Because when I see it in the supermarket, I did well want it. So them are nice. Jelly worm. Tomorrow when they wake up, I get them. Cherry berry, I buy 3 of this. Alright, so we have some oatmeal. About 3. As I said, guys, the rest of stuff them, they're not in an order, so they're all about the place. So we get 3 of this. I know say other one supposed to in a one different bag. Alright? Understand. Tea biscuit. 3 of this and 3 of the small ones. No, so we have to get the coconut milk powder. About 3 of this. I have Club Social, I get 3. Most of the things them guys are 3, okay? 3 of this. Oats porridge. Cinnamon. Pitney them love this. And the banana one. So about 3 cinnamon and 3 banana. Yeah, so see the banana one here. 3 banana. Yeah, I love it. It really tastes nice and I love it too. Really nice. Chicken noodle. Love this. I got 3 of it. You know if you put in a soup. And you know what I do with the chicken noodle too? Sometimes when I look about cabbage, like me a steam cabbage, I just sprinkle some over it. And my mother tell me that the style there. Yeah. My mother. She sprinkle some over this. So when we sprinkle some over this, pan cabbage, nice. Yeah, tell you, it's nice. So you can try that, and if you ever try it, you can let me know in the comments below. So when you steam your cabbage, just sprinkle some of this over it, and trust me, it's bad. Yeah. See, you last got them in this bag here. Alright, so I got refined cornmeal. Coconut biscuit. We call this parrot biscuit. Parrot biscuit. I got 3 of this. Cheese sticks. I got 3. And we get a bag of nutmeg. Guys, now watch my hand. And I dry a little powder and something. Now watch that. So this is nutmeg. Cookie, chocolate chip, I got 3. Animal biscuit, well, we call it animal biscuit, but it's Jumbies, animal crackers, but animal biscuit. I got 3 of this. Coconut powder. Nature Valley, this is the cinnamon. You know the granola bar, Nature Valley, yeah. I get, I try this, I get, yeah. I pick up, I got 3. Onion rings, my daughter love onion rings. So, I get 3 of this. Duplex, she love duplex, so I get 3 of this. And them are something I just for me, you know. Them Nature Valley dark chocolate, something I just for me. I get them. The bridge them are for me. Because I love them. So I get 3 chocolate in the bridge and 3 strawberry. Yeah. So 3 chocolate, 3 strawberry. Me love them. Ovaltine. I got 3 of this. As I said, guys, them here are just pink. I got 3 of this. Alright, so I got raw peanuts. My mama telling us say we are gonna blend up something. We are gonna blend up something strong back, alright? So I get the raw peanut, I have the Irish. I always say Irish. I have the Irish moss. And I'm supposed to buy some dragon and some something, you know. So, you know, so I gotta blend up some something and some something. Yeah. So raw peanuts. Let me know in the comments if you want some. Alright, I got a medium size olive oil. Look at my olive oil done. So my office stack up back for my olive oil. Butter kiss biscuit. These are the vanilla. I get the vanilla, the chocolate, and the strawberry. Alright, so right here I have the elbow macaroni. The elbow macaroni I have right here, so. And with the elbow macaroni, I normally mix it with the bully beef, the corned beef, with rice. Really nice. Even if you look about it with dumpling, sweet and nice. So I decided to get this week. Yeah. Alright, so on to another bag. I think it's a box. So we'll go see what in the box there. So next box. So this now, this is a toilet seat, right? I have to buy the odd toilet seat though, because you see soft one I buy other day. It don't make no sense. So please don't buy the soft toilet seat. Buy the hard one. This a hard one, I know I pay. I think I 3,000 something pay for it. Yeah. So toilet seat. So this is another special where them having at the supermarket. You buy 3, you get 1 free. So them say. So this is 4 corned beef. I buy light beer, red stripe beer. This is one of the lemon one. Another Kisco. In this box is mostly juice. So I have the Betty tin milk right here, about 4. Oh, about Pediasure, about 3 of this. So this is for the kids, so about 3. I got a jam jelly. Yeah, this one is the blueberry. So you know, so I love this. Me and the kids love this with peanut butter and bread. Oh, the light beer, I got 2 light beer me get. And about Malta, I got 3. I have more Ensure in here. I have more Supplegen, cran juice at 3. I'm gonna buy 3 cran water. Apple J, about 3 of this. And what else I have in here? I have the dragon. So this I have to put in my blend up. I get 2 dragon. Yeah. So yeah, this is the rest of stuff them I already shown, like the ginger beer. I already show, you know, that. So this box is finished now. So I think I have 2 more bag. I have 1 more bag and 1 more box. So let's go. All right, next bag. So we have the curves overnight. Yeah, I bought a popsicle icicle thingy to make icicle. Island Queen Riri, you make me buy this. Yeah, I watch your jello, your popsicle something idea by your channel. I'm gonna go try that with the kids them. So yeah, I bought this. This is for the bathroom. About 2 of this. Dishwashing liquid. Oh, we call this again, people? Something for put juice in. Yeah, I not have none of this, and I been want one, so I did have to grab one. Yeah. So I bought paper towel. See the other bathroom something here. Alright, so I got 3 of these what do you call this, air freshener thing. Yeah, gel air freshener. So I got the Hawaiian Sunset. I'm gonna put one in the hall, one in my bedroom, and one in the bathroom. So this is the Hawaiian Sunset. This is the lemon, and I also got, what is it? Pure Breeze. Hold on. Yet you hold on. People, look like me buy the wrong something. Why this say Pure Breeze Pet? A dog something I buy? Why? You know me full of drama. No, me full of drama. Why am I gonna buy dog something? Touch and pet odors. Boy, I don't know now. But it look like, me tell me if I wrong something I buy. And I wrong something. But why this I say dog and pet? I don't understand. But I bought it. Why? I don't know. I bought a small Downy Protex bathing soap. I bought a knife, insect spray. Ooh. What else? Fabuloso. Yeah, garbage bag. I bought some soaps. I bought pear soap. So I bought 3 brown and 3 blue. Yeah. 3 brown and 3 blue pear soap, my buy. And I don't know, I always telling you say, anytime I go to the supermarket, I have to buy a shower curtain. I don't know something in me just have to buy a shower curtain. Every time I go to the supermarket, I just have to buy a shower curtain, guys. So I buy another shower curtain. See there. This is the pattern. I have to buy a shower curtain. I don't know. I just love shower curtain. So yeah. So this bag is empty. And we're gonna move on to the final bag. Well, it's actually a box, so we're gonna move on to that box. All right, final box. All right, in here, nobody watch the things them right this when I see what in I say tea. Me just put them right this and I soon pack them out. All right, so big apple juice, scallion. Alright, them something now have to go in a freezer. So buy 2 burger. 5 come in each, so you know say 10 burger that. Fries. Oh wow. Meat, this a drumstick. I forgot put in a freezer right now. Put it on right there. So 2 plantain. Corn on the cob, cheese, I buy some potato, I buy garlic, even though I'm going to get the market things, but I just have to buy them right now. I buy nuggets and I grab a pumpkin. So yeah, that's it guys for my grocery haul and meat shop. I get my market stuffs, but I not get the market stuffs them for put in a this vlog here. So this is it, right? Everything, the goodies right here, Where's the I'm gonna go for the price, the receipt. All right, so this is the receipt. How long receipt? Basically everything are six. Me just say everything came to $59,275. So call it $60,000. Yeah, and then these are $60,000 different from the meat shop, because meat shop everything came to $11,000 or something dollars, right? And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. Yes, me normally shop for the month. You should spend so much money, this, that, whatever. And for the month, it served me. It really served me for the month. Trust me. So yeah, and me have and then me never buy enough things either, because most of the things that me still have, but me know it's a new month are coming, so me have to stock up, you know. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I do hope you enjoy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell, so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to drop some encouraging words or encouraging something in my comment section, because honestly me did really feel discouraged, like some just cannot bother, like me just can't bother with YouTube. But I'm gonna keep going because I love what I do. I feel comfortable. I just feel comfortable. Some have a community over here. I'm glad some have a community over here, and I really love you know, I really appreciate you know. So just continue to just watch my videos, like, comment, share, you know. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, you know, because all I deal with are just realness over here, full of drama. Like, so you want drama of it in our video, like in this little video here. I go buy dogs. That if a dog something, that if a pet something, I go buy. But the channel here is just fun, authentic, and it always have a little tips of drama. And guys, if you never watched my last vlog, please go ahead and watch my last vlog when I go to reggae some fest and lose my cousin. My cousin. But I cry for the little boy, and him good. Him not even look like say him did a worry or nothing. But the all of him, yeah, dramatic. But guys, as I said, I not give up on my YouTube. I not give up, because I know say enough things are come for now. Okay, things are come. So you just stick around with me. I really appreciate you know. I really do appreciate you know. And we are family, you know. We are family. So just put it in the comments below, you know, something encouraging. If you like this channel and want to see more, just let me know. Tell me don't give up. Even though me not gonna give up, me feel like more and give up, but me not gonna give up. So just let me know in the comments, okay? Remember guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.